The product that I've been analyzing is a record holder. For records, the best type of storage is vertical storage, as it ensures that the records don't warp or get damaged. This design is small and lightweight, which allows it to be moved around the room easily. The two panels on the side are angled, which allow records to be flipped through easily while they're stored there. The open design means they're always visible and easily accessible. It's quite minimalistic, which ensures it doesn't look out of place in most settings. This simplicity also means that it can be constructed fairly quickly and the small details can be perfected. The record holder is constructed from sapel, which is a timber imported from Africa. This timber shares many similarities with mahogany, but is a much cheaper alternative. The timber is very dark and rich. It finishes really nice and the grain is highlighted. This particular product was created with only one function, which is the storage of vinyl records. The way in which it's been designed makes it very practical, and constructing it from hardwood ensures that it'll be very durable. The combination of a minimalistic design with a rich timber create a product that would make a great addition to any room. It adds quite a modern retro touch as vinyl is starting to become trendy again. The flat base of the record holder allows it to be easily placed on top of tables or cabinets, and it's quite sturdy. The record holder is made from timber rather than things like plastic or metal, which means it's sustainable and renewable. The carbon emissions produced from the manufacture of construction timber are one of the lowest when compared with other construction materials. Timber is also biodegradable, which means that it won't have a negative impact on the environment if discarded. The offcuts and scraps are also recyclable, so they aren't wasted. Sapel is grown in Africa on plantations, so it's quite sustainable and ethical to use for products such as this. This particular product was also handcrafted, which creates a more unique feel and eliminates the need for machinery, which can cost a lot more money to either hire or purchase for a company. They've also decided to use housing joints on the base instead of screws or nails. This results in a smoother finish and also reduces costs because they don't have to buy screws or nails. The simplicity of this design leaves a lot of room for innovation and redesign.